To get rid of caterpillars in your garden, regularly pick them off of plants and drop them into a bucket of soapy water. Make sure you wear gardening gloves, since some caterpillars can sting. You can also spray or dust your plants with Bacillus thuringiensis, a bacteria that kills caterpillars when they ingest it. Bacillus thuringiensis is safe for plants, pollinators, and pets. Neem oil and pyrethrum are both also organic insecticides that will kill any munching caterpillars on your plants. Attracting natural caterpillar predators like birds, toads, and lizards to your yard can help too. Set up a bird feeder and bath in your garden, and provide shelter for potential predators by setting out logs or broken clay pots. Finally, try planting strong-smelling herbs like sage, lavender, and peppermint, since they can also help keep caterpillars out of your garden.